Well, a drastic change could be coming to the city of McCall over McCall's impact area. Valley County, which McCall is part of, is proposing decreasing the impact area by 97%. Bringing in Abby Wilt. Abby, what does that mean for the county?
Hunter, the impact area is the area surrounding a city. Now homeowners have to follow city rules and they get benefits from the city without living in city limits. With this proposal, the city is worried about future growth and safety.
Concerned that a very good strategy that we have in place that has been tested over nearly 5 decades, it may be going away.
McCall's 22,000 acres of impact area,
We call it the area of impact, is a very large area, about 22,000 acres, that immediately butts up against or surrounds the city boundary.
could be decreasing to just 680 acres.
As the mayor and a member of city council, and I can speak for our city manager and our staff, that was a drastic shock.
McCall's mayor Bob Giles says it's over a proposal Valley County is looking into.
So we feel like we've been ignored.
Homeowners in McCall's impact area have city rules and regulations to follow, and they help the city not just in terms of money, but also by protecting McCall's natural resources, especially Payette Lake.
If the rules that govern how people manage their homes around the lake that are outside city limits, if those are watered down, if they're eased, if setbacks from the lake are changed, we feel there's going to be things damaging to the lake's health and then ultimately to our drinking water.
In a July 7th public hearing, the Valley County Board of Commissioners heard from over 20 homeowners on the proposed change.
I think it's a very drastic and radical solution that does not need to be made in a hurry.
Because the changes you are proposing are huge and would greatly impact all of us.
A reduction of over 21,000 acres is huge. It's ginormous. And most of the reduction is around the area's drinking water source and most valued recreational amenity.
Others disagree, saying they side with the county and don't trust McCall anymore with their land.
And I support the county's position on this matter. Living in the city of McCall, my subdivision was annexed over 25 years ago. And I heard a lot of wonderful things that the city would like to do with these annexed and proposed lands. But the reality is many people don't get these things.
Valley County's Board of Commissioners listened to over 2 hours of public testimony, but they haven't made a final decision yet.
I served on city council for 11 and a half years. This is the most significant item by far that this council, that the city has dealt with over that time period.
The Valley County Board of Commissioners' next meeting is July 29th. And Hunter, they do say that there could be a vote during that meeting.
Okay, the big question I have for you, is this going to affect, which law enforcement agency is going to respond? Is it going to take longer? Is this something that they're discussing? Right.
So right now, the city of McCall as well as Valley County share on that impact area. So when they get a call, they then determine which one will go to. They haven't yet answered if now just Valley County will be responding to that impact area if it does get decreased.
Yeah, I'm curious to see what comes out of that. Thank you, Abby.